Okay, good day to all science students. In this video lesson, we are going to discuss now the Term 1, Week 5, Day 2, Physical Change, Chemical Change, and Evidence of Chemical Reactions. Objectives: differentiate physical changes from chemical changes based on the formation of new substances and observable evidence. Classify and justify examples of changes in matter as physical or chemical using an evidence-based worksheet. Demonstrate responsibility in interpreting chemical changes and observing safety when dealing with household substances. Okay, purpose of the activity. This activity allows learners to distinguish physical changes, chemical changes, and uncertain situations based on observable evidence. Materials: 3 signs posted in different classroom areas. The physical change, chemical change, and need more evidence. Direction: listen carefully as each situation is read. Move toward the sign representing the best answer. Physical change if no new substance forms. Chemical change if a new substance forms. Need more evidence if the observation alone is not enough to decide. After moving, be ready to state one reason for the choice. Answers may be revised after hearing additional evidence. Okay, a chocolate bar melts under the sun. So what will be the correct classification of that? O that is physical change. So yung mga students pupunta doon sa physical change kung yun ang napili nilang sagot. So a silver spoon develops a dark coating over time. Water forms bubbles while boiling in a kettle. So a sliced apple becomes brown after several minutes. Powder is mixed with water and bubbles appear. O a glow stick produces light after being bent. Frost appears on the wall of a freezer. Milk develops a sour smell after being left out. So yun yung mga situations. Okay, another one, the science behind the school canteen. During recess, Leia observed several events in the school canteen. Ice cubes in a juice dispenser slowly melted. Steam rose from a pot of boiling water used for noodles. A banana placed on the counter became brown by afternoon. A small amount of baking soda accidentally mixed with calamansi juice and started fizzing. An egg being cooked changed from clear and runny to solid and white. So Leia initially said that all of these were chemical reactions because they involved visible changes. Her classmate disagreed and explained that visible change alone does not always mean that a new substance has formed. For guide question, which observation in the scenario are physical change? Okay, the answer, melting ice cubes and boiling water are physical changes. Which observations are chemical changes? Okay, we have browning banana, fizzing of baking soda with calamansi juice, and cooking an egg are chemical changes. Why is the steam from boiling water considered as not an evidence of a chemical reaction? Steam is water vapor. Water only changed from liquid to gas, so no new substance formed. So that is the so-called the physical phase change. Okay, another one. What evidence suggests that baking soda and calamansi juice underwent a chemical reaction? Okay, the fizzing or bubble formation suggests that gas was produced during the reaction. So why is cooking an egg considered a chemical change? Cooking changes the egg proteins and produces new properties that cannot easily be reversed. Okay, what important rule should be remembered when identifying chemical changes? A visible change should be supported by evidence. A visible change should be supported by evidence that a new substance has formed. Okay, what is physical change? A physical change occurs when matter changes in appearance, shape, size, or state without forming a new substance. So ito, nabago lang yung shape, yung size, pero yung state or yung phase, kagaya ng liquid to gas, gas to liquid, pero hindi nabago yung kanyang property. That is physical change. Example, melting ice. So that is physical phase change or state change from solid to liquid. Cutting paper, the paper becomes smaller but remains as a paper. Freezing juice, the liquid becomes solid but no new substance forms. Dissolving sugar. Sugar spreads through water and may be recovered. And boiling water, liquid water changes into vapor. Ito, considered as physical phase change. Okay, what is phase change? So, ito. Melting or phase change is a type of physical change involving a change from one state of matter to another. Kagaya ng solid to liquid, ice becoming water or melting. Ayan, freezing, liquid to solid. And vaporization or evaporation, that is liquid to gas. Okay, condensation, that is gas to liquid, droplets forming on a cold bottle. And sublimation, solid to gas, dry ice turning into carbon dioxide gas. Or pwede rin po yung mothball, example lang sa sublimation. Yung alcampur. Deposition, that is gas to solid, frost forming inside a freezer. Okay, the phase changes do not produce new substances. A chemical change occurs when new substances are formed. These substances have properties different from the original material. So kapag nagka-produce siya ng ibang-iba na doon sa original material, that is considered as chemical change. Example, rusting iron, reddish brown iron oxide forms. Burning charcoal, browning banana, o yung ripening, or decomposition, isa din po yun sa chemical change. O cooking egg, souring milk, o yung napanis na ng milk. Okay, evidence of chemical reactions. Number 1, change in temperature. Chemical reactions may release or absorb energy. Pwedeng nabawasan ng init or nadagdagan. Kasi nga, may release or may absorb. So, exothermic releases heat to the surroundings. That is burning wood. Endothermic, it absorbs heat from the surroundings. Example, instant cold pack. Okay, production of light. Some reactions produces visible light. Examples include a candle flame, a glow stick, firefly producing light. Okay, light produced by a chemical reaction without intense heat is called chemiluminescence. Or light produced by living organisms is called bioluminescence. Okay, color change. A color change may suggest that formation of a new substance. The formation of a new substance. Example includes gray iron turning reddish brown because of rust, sliced apple turning brown, banana peel darkening over time. Okay, formation of gas, another evidence po ito. Some chemical reactions produce gas, which may be observed through bubbling, fizzing, smoke, or fumes. Example, baking soda plus citric acid resulting to carbon dioxide, water, and sodium citrate. When baking soda and lemon or calamansi juice are combined, bubbles form because carbon dioxide gas is produced. Okay, formation of a precipitate. A precipitate is a solid form when two solutions react and produce a substance that does not remain dissolved. Ano ba, dalawang liquid, pinaghalo mo, nakabuo ng solid, that is formation of precipitate. The mixture may appear cloudy, milky, powdery, or filled with solid particles that settle at the bottom. Okay, important misconception. Not all bubbles indicate a chemical reaction. Yung kagaya nung nagpapakulo ng tubig, it forms bubble. Hindi yun chemical reaction. Still, that is only a physical change. The bubbles are water vapor. Another one, baking soda reacting with acid and bubbling, that is chemical change. Carbon dioxide gas is formed as a new product. The important question is not simply, did bubbles appear, but rather was a new substance produced? Okay, conclusion, physical changes affect only the form, size, shape, or state of matter, while chemical changes produce new substances with different properties. Evidence such as temperature change, light production, color change, gas formation, and precipitate formation may indicate a chemical reaction. However, careful reasoning is necessary because some visible changes such as boiling water are only physical changes. Okay, activity. Classify real-life changes as physical or chemical and support each answer using scientific evidence. Okay, you have to use this worksheet. Ayan, lalagyan. Anong classification yan? Is that a physical or chemical change? What is the evidence or the scientific reason? Sampulan natin. Okay, physical change, the evidence. Butter changes from solid to liquid only. Nakabuo ba ng new substance? Okay, that's no. O, yun ang pagsagot. Another one, metal roof. Okay na, sasagot nito. Number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yan, kayo nang sasagot niyan. Hanggang 10. Okay, complete these statements or exit ticket. A physical change is different from a chemical change because blank. One evidence of a chemical reaction that can be observed at home or school is blank because blank. So, common mistake when identifying chemical changes. Ano yung common na misconception? Isang halimbawa doon, yung formation of bubbles. Okay, one safety reminder learned from the lesson is blank.